Hey everyone, I want to give a quick update on the treasure hunt hidden inside my Return to Slab City series. Several months ago, I hit a real treasure hunt across 3 Slab City videos. The goal is simple. Find all the hidden numbers, add them together, and arrive at one final total. The first person to email me the correct final answer wins a signed copy of There's Treasure Inside by Jon Collins-Black. To this day, I have not received a correct answer, and I've also realized something important. The way I originally presented the hunt was a bit too confusing, and I want to fix that so anyone who wants to participate actually can. So I'm going to clarify everything clearly right now. First, the treasure hunt only exists within the 3 Return to Slab City videos. Nothing outside of those videos is part of the hunt. Second, numbers are hidden in 2 ways, audio and visual. If you hear a number spoken or see a number on screen, that counts. If that same number appears more than once in the same episode, it only counts once for that episode. But if it appears in a different episode, it counts again. Also, only actual numerical values count, not words like dozen or general descriptions. Now here's an important update to make things easier. The total from episode 1 is 45,026. That means you do not need to resolve episode 1 from scratch if you don't want to. You can simply use that total and focus on episodes 2 and 3. Here's how many are hidden in each episode. Episode 1 contains 8 audio numbers and 12 visual numbers. Episode 2 contains 7 audio numbers and 22 visual numbers. Episode 3 contains 4 audio numbers and 12 visual numbers. Now for a few new hints to help you get started. Not every number increases the final total. Some numbers will actually cancel out or have a different effect when combined. And if your answer feels extremely large, you may want to go back and double check your work carefully. Now, I'm also setting a final deadline for this hunt. You have until August 31st, 2026 to submit your answer. The first person to email me the correct total before that date will win the signed book. If nobody solves it by then, I'll release a final video showing every hidden number and revealing the correct answer. Everything you need is already in those 3 videos. You just have to slow down and look closely. Good luck, and if you haven't seen the Return to Slab City series, I'll have it linked down below.